This is like vicious trading. If you trust the moving averages, you're in the money since the loss of the 1 minute 200, and you're just taking this down. Just like we traded up. I see more downside coming. It looks pretty obvious to me we're going to go down to 64.2 at this point, and we're going to do it pretty fast. Like slap of a finger, magician, boom! Like, you know what I mean? And this is the key. If we can't break the 200 on the 4 hour, we cannot go to the upside. That's it. This is my key. Like, if we got above this, boom, I'm tripling down, double down. Like, let's go, baby, let's go. And now the 8 hour is holding us down. But if the 8 hour decides it's ever going to lose this 200, we're going to be in for some more pain. I just want to make that really clear. It looks to me, and they're even setting up for a head and shoulder pattern. Like, it's all there for you. It's telling you that there's a down move coming. So to me, at the 67,700 entry, you're already in the money here. Look at the 4 hour time frame too. It came down and retested previous resistance as support. It got above its 200. See, this is above its 200. You see that? As long as it stays above the 200 MA, that's a bullish sign. So bonk does not care. It looks like it's going to continue to the upside. Look, lack of momentum on the MACD, turning here. So I like what I'm seeing for bonk on the 4 hour time frame. This would be when I would buy into the divergence. So like, because of the sketchiness of price action, I'm not going to buy into the divergence unless the divergence shows me that it had the power to break the 200. That's the case, then I know we can get back through this gap, and then we can start talking about 67,000 again. And I'm open-minded. See, that's why I stay open, because I could still open up along later on today if I see that occur. If I don't see that occur, I'm just not buying the divergence. Fed even almost shoulder, head and shoulder. It's in a symmetrical triangle, which could go either way. I could see some max pain coming for fetch, even all the way down to 112. So like if Bitcoin does a dump, I mean, this thing's going down. Everything's going to go down max pain. So we're waiting for the 1 hour to break back above the 200 MA. We're waiting the 15 minute to see if it can break back above. If the 15 minute can break above, which looks like it's attempting to do right now, it's a bullish sign for me. And that's a long signal for me. This thing has never stopped. Fellow banging to the upside. Eventually it's going to flatten out here. You got a bit of bearish divergence now, and you're overbought on the stochastic. You would think this has to come back at least to a mini fib. I'd be looking for a move somewhere back to 15.15. Gummy looks like it's going to pump tonight. So I don't know, you do you. But like if I was going to trade anything tonight, it would be Gummy. Like that thing looks like it could do numbers. Possibly go all the way up to, what, 23? So wow, Gummy looks interesting to me right now, and it's the buzz of the town. It's got a lot of people in it. A bear market's when you're below the 200 MA on the daily. So like you're still in a bull run. All right, there's a low, there's a high. That's just a higher low right there, and that's a higher low too. Like, and you could even come down and bounce off the 786. As long as you don't lose the 200 MA on the daily, that would be the beginning of a bear market.